Today, I will present the solution to the subnetting question. The given IP address range is 128.255.0.0/8, and the company needs to create 5 subnets. Our task is to determine the new subnet mask and calculate the network address, broadcast address, and usable host range for each subnet. First, we need to determine how many bits should be borrowed from the host portion. We use the formula 2 to the power of n must be greater than or equal to the required number of subnets. Since the company requires 5 subnets, 2 squared equals 4, which is not enough, while 2 cubed equals 8, which is enough. Therefore, we borrow 3 bits. The original prefix length is /8. After borrowing 3 bits, the new prefix becomes /11. Next, we determine the subnet mask. A /11 prefix corresponds to the binary subnet mask 11,111,111.11100000000.000000000. When converted to decimal form, it becomes 255.224.0.0. Therefore, the new subnet mask is 255.224.0.0, or /11. Now, let's calculate the block size. The interesting octet is the second octet, which has a value of 224. The block size is calculated by subtracting 224 from 256, giving us 32. This means that the subnet values increase by 32 in the second octet. The subnet values are 0, 32, 64, 96, 128, 160, 192, and 224. Although 8 subnets are available, only the first 5 are required. For subnet 1, the network address is 128.0.0.0, the broadcast address is 128.31.255.255, and the usable host range is from 128.0.0.1 to 128.31.255.254. For subnet 2, the network address is 128.32.0.0, the broadcast address is 128.63.255.255, and the usable host range is from 128.32.0.1 to 128.63.255.254. For subnet 3, the network address is 128.64.0.0, the broadcast address is 128.95.255.255, and the usable host range is from 128.64.0.1 to 128.95.255.254. For subnet 4, the network address is 128.96.0.0, the broadcast address is 128.127.255.255, and the usable host range is from 128.96.0.1 to 128.127.255.254. For subnet 5, the network address is 128.128.0.0, the broadcast address is 128.159.255.255, and the usable host range is from 128.128.0.1 to 128.159.255.254. In conclusion, by borrowing 3 bits from the host portion, we created 8 possible subnets, which satisfies the requirement of at least 5 subnets. The new subnet mask is 255.224.0.0, or /11. The network addresses, broadcast addresses, and usable host ranges for the first 5 subnets have been successfully calculated. Thank you for your attention.